Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to update my iPhone 5s to iOS 12.5.6. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Now let's go to Setting, General, Software Update, and you will get this notice. iOS 12.5.6. This update available for the iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, iPad mini 2, and all of the iOS 12 version, including the iPod Touch. Then you can install this version. So this is the what's new. It's just a security important update, and it is recommended for all users. Download and install. I need to enter my code. Alright, now is estimating update remaining. About 60 minutes remaining. In my room, my Wi-Fi quite slow. Now it's preparing update. As you can see, loading has been finished, downloaded, install now, verifying update. Note on some device, it take several minutes for the verifying update. Now on the Apple logo, first will be loading circle, as you can see, and after that this loading. Also on some device it takes several minutes and it's finished. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for installing iOS 12.5.6 in this 5s in the comment below. And so this is all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.